How do you weigh your focused kind of value investing versus the desire to diversify your fund? I guess in a way, if you only have 5 to 10 stocks at a certain time, do you still have the desire to diversify across many industries?
Yeah, I don't actually think about it that way. I just think about it from the point of view that, what can I find that's worth investing in, which I can understand, which is undervalued, and then if if I can get more diversification in the portfolio without giving up much upside, then I'm all for that. Sure, no problem. So it just depends on, what shows up, and what. So there's not a lot of activity. There's not a lot of changes. So we tend to keep things for a while, and so I keep reading stuff and looking at things, and every once in a while things make sense, and then we can pull the trigger. So
So to take advantage of these buying opportunities, you need cash. And so, given the fact that you aren't ready to sell something at that exact time, and having cash on hand means you're not making money. How do you decide how much cash to keep on hand at a given time?
yeah, so I think one of the things about the Buffett Munger model is that you don't focus on being fully invested. You just focus on putting money to work if it makes sense to put it to work. And if it doesn't make sense to put it to work, let it sit in cash. So the ability to be comfortable with uninvested funds is part of that patience. So there's nothing wrong with uh, keeping cash if you don't have anything intelligent to do with it. That's perfectly fine.